corner of our old cafe, under dim and flickering lights. There you were, lost in a book, like so many other nights. Your hair a bit more silver now, you smile quietly unchanged. My heart skipped time, rewound in this all too familiar frame. Is it just the shadow light? Or do your eyes still hold that spark? Am I the same man to you, or just a name on a faded bookmark? Is it longing or just echoes of the love we used to know? Can these old embers catch the wind, or has time left them cold? Every look, every laugh tangled up in bittersweet regret. Are we stories half told, or is there a chapter left yet? My soul feels almost whole when you're near, but the past whispers doubts in my ear. You laughed, the sound of melody said, remember Monterey. The sea raging wild, like our hearts not ready to obey. And just for a second I'm there, with your hand slipping into mine. In that suspended reality, love wasn't confined by time. Are these moments just specters, or do they breathe and live anew? Do you feel the pull of yesterday stirring deep inside of you? Is it longing or just echoes of the love we used to know? Can these old embers catch the wind, or has time left them cold? Every look, every laugh tangled up in bittersweet regret. Are we stories half told, or is there a chapter left yet? My soul feels almost whole when you're near, but the past whispers doubts in my ear. Maybe love's not just a flame that dies, but a beacon ever true. Or maybe it's a song that fades out of tune as it resumes. Yet here in this quiet space, with you it's tough to discern if it's love on a loop, or a lesson finally learned. Is it longing or echoes that we chase into the night? Do these old sparks light a path, or just memories in flight? Every smile, every tear, a story bittersweetly penned. Here with you, almost whole, or just enough to pretend. The answer unclear as we linger in the glow. Is this the warmth, the fire, or just the comfort of the cold? In the quiet of an evening fade, your shadow slipped away without a trace. Echoes fill the space where laughter lay, whispers lost in time, love's empty embrace. What remains we dared not speak. A storm of silence settled deep. Endlessly always you drift in the halls of my heart, a ghost in the echo, a promise torn apart. No words to mourn us, no clash to tear us apart, just a silent falling of stars and dreams in the dark. I reach through the quiet, but grasp only night, in the cold whispers of what was never right. Across rooms where our laughter once danced, now shadows play in corners of romance. The distance grew as quietness advanced. In the garden of gestures, nothing flowered, nothing chanced. Again, those unsaid phrases haunt my dreams. Under the silent moonbeams gleam. Endlessly always you drift in the halls of my heart, a ghost in the echo, a promise torn apart. No words to mourn us, no class to tear us apart, just a silent falling of stars and dreams in the dark. I reach through the quiet, but grasp only night, in the cold whispers of what was never right. Now I see through the veil of our twilight, love's quiet departure in the fading light. A whisper of goodbye that never found its voice, leaving behind only silence, and not by choice. Endlessly always an echo in the halls of my heart, a ghost now fading, what once was a fiery star. No fury, no shouting, just the silence as we part. The quiet is the loudest in the room where shadows dark. I reach through the quiet, finding only endless night, in the cold whispers of a love that vanished out of sight.
In the quiet aftermath, where whispers used to dance, shadows stretch across the floor, no footsteps to enhance. Breathing deep, the silence wraps a cloak of soft reprieve. In the echo of my heart, a chance to just believe. There's a weight in the stillness, yet a will to rise above. Broken pieces in my hands, turning loss back into love. Give me one more chance after silence, to find the melody in the midst of defiance. Under trees where light gently trespasses, morning finds the places night passes. just the journey of a man, pausing, taking pause through the journal of my soul. Ink spills out my growth, raindrops trace the window paths like whispers of an oath. Here in the stillness, there's a desire to move on from what's broken to what's healing, the dusk until the dawn. One more chance after silence to sing a tune that speaks of quiet defiance. Beneath the canopy where light whispers secrets, the dawn touches places that the night forgets. In the calm I find the key, the power in silence, the strength in just being me. I am enough as the echoes fade. The scars I wear no longer shades of who I was, but maps of where I've been, guiding me gently from within. One more chance after silence, a dance in the rain, defying the violence. Where the sun gently dries each tear that seeps and fills the spaces where darkness keeps. Here in the quiet, I've come to see the beauty in healing, the hope in just being me. In the glow of the cafe's dim light, there you were, a sight so familiar yet foreign. Our eyes met just like they used to, under the shadow of our old elm, whispering secrets. Has time touched your smile, or is it my heart that's changed? The air heavy with what might have been, echoes of laughter haunting in silence. Can you hear the soft rock tunes that used to play? They're dancing around, filling gaps between us. Is it love lingering or just echoes of the past? I'm holding my breath, caught in the twilight of your gaze. Do I reach out or let the moment pass? Unspoken, the words almost told you. You laughed, and it pulled me back to '89. Summer rain, your hand slipping from mine. Remember when you say, and it's all rushing back. Nostalgia's grip, sweet and cruel, heart under attack. Are we just shadows of who we were, meeting anew?
just lay dormant, or perhaps we're chasing the ghosts of what was. In the end, the heart knows no reason or rhyme, torn between moving on or trying one last